welcome back here in our channel. So for today's video, I want to share a very simple recipe that will surely enjoy of our family. Okay guys, so sa mga mommies out there na gusto talaga makatipid sa pang-araw-araw na ulam, pwede nyo po ito i-try. Okay, so this is just regular or typical dish na niluluto natin. Okay, and I'm sure that our kids will enjoy this dish. Okay, so first guys, I got the tomatoes, and if you want more tomatoes, it depends on you guys, so just add more tomatoes, of course, kasi mas malinamnam talaga kapag maraming kamatis. So this is our ingredients. Of course, ang ating chicken, tomato, garlic, onion, and of course black pepper, and of course guys, hindi mawawala ang aking rice water. So but it depends on you guys if you want to use regular water or just tap water. It depends on you. Okay, so I prepare to use rice water, and of course guys, hindi mawawala ang aking kangkong from our backyard, syempre. So I planted this 3 months ago at hindi siya ganun healthy guys because there's no water running in this area, so it's not quite healthy, but it's okay since napapakinabangan ko naman talaga siya. And of course guys, ang ating sitaw or string beans. So sad to say, masyadong tuyot na guys yung ibang sitaw or string beans, so pangpunla na lang siya guys. Pero nakakuha lang din ako ng ilang piraso like that, 3 pieces, and that's okay because ako lang po ang kakain mag-isa nito dahil ang aking mga anak ay medyo picky pagdating sa gulay. So here's another ingredients: kangkong, of course, our sitaw, and green chili. So let's start cooking. So guys, heat the pan, of course, before you put your oil, cooking oil or butter. So guys, this time I will use butter. Okay, kasi may savory, alam niyo guys, amoy palang ulam na. Okay, and dahil dyan guys, alam ko mas i-enjoy ng aking mga kiddos ang ating lulutuin. Okay, kasi sa amoy pa lang ma-attract na sila guys. And legit naman yun guys dahil kumain talaga ng ganitong luto ang aking mga anak. So gisahin lang natin ang ating garlic and onion, and after that ilagay natin ang ating kamatis. So gisahin lang natin ng konti para mas mag-juice, mas maluto siya guys. And saka natin ilagay ang ating karning manok. Okay, and yun guys, ilagay lang natin yan, and hayaan po natin siya maluto sa lang sariling katas or juice. And guys, in order for the chicken to absorb the juice of tomatoes, so hayaan lang natin siya guys dyan for at least 2 minutes or 3 minutes. And after that guys, ayan siya. So medyo na-absorb na ng ating chicken ang katas ng ating kamatis. Okay. And lagyan natin ng nor cubes. So ayan guys, optional naman yung nor cubes. Pwede kayong gumamit ng like magic syrup or kung ano po yung prepare ninyong gamitin. So ako ay of course nor cubes, and lagyan natin ng kaunting paminta. Kaunti lang talaga guys kasi syempre baka maanghang ng aking bunso. And of course guys, lagyan natin ang ating rice water pala guys. Rice water yung ating ginamit. So tansyahin nyo na lang guys yung tubig, okay? So, ganito naman talaga tayo magluto sa bahay, di ba guys? Tansya-tansya na lang tayo, hindi talaga tayo nagsusukat. Pero syempre, kung kayo nasa mga resto, syempre talagang sinusukat yan. At since dito lang yan, pang ulam lang natin sa bahay, hindi na kailangan, okay? Dahil kahit tansya-tansya lang guys, sigurado namang masarap ang kalalabasan. So ito na guys, pinakuluan ko na siya for 25 minutes. Gusto ko guys, sobrang lambot na niya para hindi mahirapan ang aking 2 years old na bunso kumain ng karneng manok. And yan guys, since kumulo na siya for 25 minutes, ilagay na po natin ang ating string beans and green chili. And hayaan po natin maluto for at least 2 minutes. And of course guys, yung ating panghuli, syempre ang ating kangkong. And of course, alam naman natin guys, napakadaling maluto na ito. So, pagkalagay natin ito, pwede na yan guys. So, luto-lutuin lang natin for at least, a minute. And, guys, ready to serve. So, guys, kanina pa nagtatanong ang aking panganay kung ano daw ang aking niluluto. Dahil nalalanghap na niya na siguro ang aking niluluto. So, amoy pa lang guys, masarap na siya. And alam kong mai-enjoy ito ng aking mga anak. At alam kong mai-enjoy din ito ng inyong mga anak kapag ito ay inyong trinay. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something from it. So, thank you guys. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!